Today, I'm gonna box Sharper MS hoverball target game. It has 5 floating targets on a cushion of air, one device during gameplay, cordless battery operated, no plugs or wall outs. It includes 6 barrel revolving launcher and darts. Yes. This is Sharper This is made by Sharper MS. Includes 6 barrel blaster ball target game. I'll open this and wait a second. Okay, let's open it, and now you got the 6 barrel blaster. It's so cool. It's like in those sci-fi movies. We have sci-fi guns. There's Star Trek. And here's the instructions. And here's the darts. And this is the one from the box. Oh, I'm gonna unbox these parts. And stay to open this 6 barrel blaster. It looks very cool and very sci-fi. And all I need to put in is 6 barrels. Okay, everyone. I just put 6 barrels on this 2 barrel blaster. Looks very cool. Looks fine. Better do a test of it. Huh. Well, is copyright 2016 immerse sword, or is it okay? Made in China. Ooh, that includes the gift card. Eh? Discover thousands of hard-to-find products. Home cover, massage, sweep, toilet, gadgets, gifts, and more. Ooh. Okay, today's the day, and my uncle and I just solved this problem of the hover target game. And look at this baby, 6 barrel blaster gun. And look. It's like a pistol. Oh, when you slide the pistol to put bullets in. Okay, yeah. All you have to do is turn this on, and you could turn left or right to do air. Sorry about that. Okay. Wiki side. You always need to do this 2 times. If you do it 1 time, sorry. If you do it 1 time, it's just I can't do, but even though they're in there. Well, that's my unboxing build for today. We'll see you next time. Bye. Peace out.